This is a stock 2016 Dodge 1500 series Hemi against a 2020 F-250 tuned and deleted with about 615 horse. Let's get them.